market. 1. Understanding the labor market. The labor market is where demand from companies and supply from workers of labor meets. Labor demand determined by companies based on productivity and wages. Labor supply determined by individuals or households who offer the time and skill to work. 2. Understanding unemployment. Unemployment is a condition where someone is included in the workforce but is not working and is actively looking for work. 3 types of unemployment. Frictional unemployment occurs when someone changes job, has just graduated from school or is still looking for work. Temporary and normal in the economy. Structural unemployment caused by change in economic structure, such as automation, the loss of certain industrial sector, or mismatch of skill, more serious and long term. Pengangguran siklikal terjadi akibat penurunan aktivitas ekonomi atau resesi berkaitan dengan fluktuasi siklus bisnis, boom phase krisis. D. Pengangguran musiman berkaitan dengan pekerjaan. Musiman inisial berarti petani, nelayan, pariwisata atau guru les musim ujian. Pengangguran terselubung, seseorang terlihat bekerja tapi tidak produktif atau jumlah pekerja melebihi kebutuhan terjadi di sektor informal pedesaan. 4. Unemployment indicator. Open unemployment rates. Labor force working against population who are working or looking for work. Labor force verification rates. Labor supply and demand. Labor supply positive to wage levels. The higher the wage, the more people went to work. Labor demand negative to wage. The higher the wage, companies reduce their workforce. Labor markets. Equilibrium occurs when the amount of labor supplies, the amount demand, and equilibrium wage rate, and a equilibrium number of workers are created. 6 factors affecting the labor markets. 1. Labor productivity. 2. Economy and skill level. 3. Technology. 4. Government policy, minimum wage, taxes, subsidies. 5. Labor unions and labor regulation. 6. Labor mobility. 7. Unemployment impacts economy, decrease in international output, waste of resources, government fiscal burden, social assistance, subsidies. B. Social, increased property, social instability and crime, raising physical well-being. 8. Policies to reduce unemployment. I. Expansion fiscal policy, increase government spending, labor intensive projects, reduce tax to increase consumption. B. Expansionary monetary policy, reduce interest rates to encourage investment and job creation. C. Training and education programs, upskilling and reskilling workers to suit industry needs. D. Subsidy and incentives for companies to absorb more workers. E. Anti-elusive and misme policy encourage the creation of independent jobs.